Shout, let it all out. These are the things I can do without. Come on, I'm talking to you. All right, so what this video is about is me needing answers. So I'm gonna ask you guys a couple questions. My bad on being loud. I'm just a little frustrated because these are all questions that I've been looking for the answers to and I don't have it. So let me know if you guys got it, man. A little frustrated. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think or if I'm just looking in the wrong places. So let's go. Let's get into it. Yo! I need answers, all right? First question. Hey, how come after you wash your car, detail it, get the rims, you know what I mean, maybe even, you know what I mean, some spray smell good inside the car, or even just a simple wash, you know what? Why is it afterwards, feels like your car is driving so much better? Why is it so much smoother? It's not making those weird noises. It's accelerating better. Like, did my car wash just make my car faster? Why is that? I need answers. Another question. How come when your car starts making noise and you know something's wrong and you're just kind of scared, like, dude, how much is this gonna cost me? Okay, boom. So you drive down to the mechanic says, hey, what's the problem? You're like, my car's making a noise. And then all of a sudden, here you go with your beatbox. Like, my car is making a... Mechanic says, okay, let me check it out. No noise. No noise. You're like, no. I promise you, it's making a noise. Doesn't do it. You look stupid. And after that, you leave. And of course, as soon as you leave, it starts doing it. You turn on, bring your car right back. It's not doing it no more. Why are you playing with me? I need answers. Why does this happen? Suggestions? Cool. Don't know. Here's another thing. How come when your car gets a dent, gets a scratch, something messes up with it, why is it that most of the time it's other people doing it? I get it, dog. Things happen. But if my car is gonna get scratched, get dented, or have something, you know what I mean, go wrong with it, have me be the one to do it, not somebody else. Don't let somebody borrow your car to go down the street and then oopsies. Maybe you want to barbecue. You're having an amazing day. You know what? I'm going to get some meat, barbecue. You come back, dent from somebody's shopping cart or somebody in a parking spot that opened up their door and knocked your door in. Have me be the one to mess up my own stuff. I need answers. Why does that happen? How come when you break something, dealing with your car, you go and get it fixed? And then right after that, something else goes. You have to pay and get that fixed. And then something else goes. And then it's like, it keeps happening to where I'm fixing my car. There was only one problem. Is my car messing with me? Is the universe messing with me? Am I getting set up? Is my mechanic messing with me? Because he wants to keep draining me for money because he knows I'm gonna keep paying because I have to get to and from work. But if everybody goes through it, it's just car things. I need answers. I can't be the only one. I don't know, my bad. Thank you for tuning in for this little rant. I just had to get this off my chest because if it's not one thing, it's another. It never ends. And yes, I know you like my impression of a car messing up. And that's what you sound like when you're trying to tell a mechanic exactly what's going on with it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If it's your first time viewing me, hope I entertained you. And please comment. Give me answers. If you haven't done so yet, add me on IG at Import Life Media. All right? And as always, life is not happening to you. It's happening for you. Everybody stay blessed. Till next time.